Alright, today Beth and I are doing cornbread cooked in a cast iron skillet, and it's going to be a part of the hashtag Cast Iron Wednesday playlist hosted by Native Tears. So be sure to head over to Native Tears, check out that playlist. You want to learn how to cook things in cast iron? That's all you have to do is check that playlist out. I believe there's over 759 videos in that playlist. It's huge, and it covers just about anything you can imagine cooked in cast iron. When we go down to the US, we live in Canada, so when we go down to the US, we have cornbread usually at the restaurants we go to, like Cracker Barrel or Bob Evans or other places we go to like barbecues. We really enjoy cornbread, so we're going to show you how we make it here at home. I'll let Beth get started here. What we have is 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to have that heating up on the stove top here, just inside of our cast iron, and then we're going to put it in an oven at 400 degrees, is it? Mm-hmm. For how long?
About 20 minutes, until it's golden brown.
Okay, so that's what we're doing beforehand, getting the butter in here ready, got the oven all preheated, so Beth is going to take it from here.
Okay, I have a cup of flour, then a cup of cornmeal, and a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and then we mix it all up.
So while Beth is mixing up the ingredients here, I'm going to add the cast iron skillet to the top of the stove top and heat up the butter on low while she's doing that.
Okay, I have a half a cup of unsalted butter melted.
So this was the first bowl of ingredients. Now this is the second bowl of ingredients.
Yeah, and then I have a 1/3 cup of brown sugar.
And I'll put the recipe down in the description of the video.
And 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 egg. And I'm just gonna...
1 slightly beaten egg.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna put this in here. Again.
You know, I'm a tripod with a dual function. I'm a talking tripod.
You'll whisk it together.
That wasn't funny, I guess. I thought it was funny. So she's whisking it with the unmanned tool.
Don't that play.
That's okay.
It's okay?
Sure, it's okay.
And then I have a cup of buttermilk. And then we'll put the dry ingredients with the wet.
So you're going to mix that up really thoroughly.
But not overly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what Beth is doing, the butter is melted in the cast iron skillet. She's just brushing the butter up on the sides. That'll just help the cornbread from not sticking to the sides.
Good. It's all melted.
Okay, what are you doing now?
I'm putting the mix into the pan.
So Beth is putting the cornbread in the cast iron skillet into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So we'll bring these back in 20 minutes and we'll see how the cornbread turned out. Well, the 20 minutes are up and the cornbread cooked in a cast iron skillet in the oven is done. We just took it out. The edges are brown. It's golden brown, looks good. And we'll let it cool a bit. We'll remove it from the skillet and we'll try it. All right, we just made a little cornbread and I thought I'd play a little song about cornbread. I'm gonna call it Cornbread in the Hollow. Cornbread in the hollow. Alright, Beth's cutting into the cornbread now and we're going to try it out, see how it tastes. Okay, Beth's going to try out the cornbread. It turned out really nice. Okay, Beth, give it a try.
It's good.
Is it really good?
Mm-hmm. It's very good.
Can I have a try?
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.
It's good.
All right. Awesome cornbread. So there you have it, guys. Cornbread cooked in a cast iron skillet. Turned out really, really good. Give it a try. Let us know in the comments below when you try it or before you try it. And don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.